Hey, hi guys. So in this video, I will be explaining the project goal of the Battle Tank game that we are trying to build in the track 3 of the Launchpad. So as you can see, like I have opened up the UI. So I will keep the volume low of this game. But yeah, you will get to learn a lot of things about sounds regarding UI. Plus, the major attraction of this track is you need to learn a lot of architectural programming for becoming a professional game developer, right? Where like scalability and flexibility of the code is most important thing. So in this track we will be going deep into the architecture of the code, and we will practice the MVC, that is nothing but the model view controller design pattern to implement our tank movement, shooting, and overall spawning of the objects. And yeah, so as you can see in this UI, if you click on the green tank will get shown, then the blue tank, then the red tank, and every tank will have the customized, what I can say, customized properties. Every tank will move and will attack with the different speed. Also, every tank will have a different health. So, how to set up all these flexible things to our tank so that you can change anything and everything will be so powerful. Ki tomorrow, if your designer is saying, okay, for XYZ tank, you want to change the parameter of health quickly, you should be able to quickly do it, right? And same goes for movement speed, rotation speed, and tons of other things. So we will be learning about scriptable objects as well. So this is the project goal. I will quickly show you. Okay, this is massive speed of the red tank, I would say. That's awesome. So here you can see I am shooting the bullets as well. So red tank is like super fast. Here you can see, like, if we want to destroy the cube, then you need to plan the projectile. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, so that's about the red tank. So what I will do, I will again run the game and I will, oh, okay, let's wait for the 18 seconds then. Anyways, the game will restart. But yeah, like, here we will learn how to make the camera follow to the player. And plus, if you see, there are particle effects as well. If you closely observe, like when the tank moves, right? So you learn about particle effects as well, overall rotation, movement, and firing of the tank. So I will quickly restart. And here again, I can select the tank. Now I will select the green tank, and here you can see the speed is reduced. Right now, the moment speed of the tank is reduced, right? And yeah, like all of all of the moment code and firing code, shooting code, everything is written in the model view controller. And here you can see the UI, which is tracking the targets destroyed as well as time left to our game. So all these things you will learn in the track 3, and I hope you will enjoy the track 3. Thanks a lot.